everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here we are at the plus section. Let's start over here. All right, so we have some toys and some neck pillows, and look at these. Aren't they pretty? Pumpkin latte, and then here is a mushroom. And these guys are, I don't know, there's a red dot on them. I don't see any price. This is a pumpkin. Okay. I'm not sure. It's a red dot. So 3 and up. Okay, so we have a curling iron. This is a 10, this curling one. And then these towels are to 1 pack for $3. I'm not sure about the quality of those. Here's some washcloths. Those are $3. The shower liners are $5. The heavy duty ones. Then we have some outdoor pillows. They're $5. Okay, here's a vanity organizer for $3. And these are $5. These rugs for the bathroom. Here's some washcloths. 12 pack, $5. And these are the outside cushions, and those are $5. Okay, so here we have some more mats. These are $3, but this for the bathroom, and chenille says $5. Here's the 6 cube storage rack, and this says $5. And here are the totes. So we're gonna go around, and then I'll turn to the other side. So this is $5. I haven't tried this, but I am anxious to try this for under the sink. So that might be worth it, guys. Then you have some STP tire shine, and here are your baskets. Now that one over there is just $5. It says 3 and up, and here is the car stuff. I like this tote organizer for the back of your car. You can hold your jumper cables and all kind of tools, and they could put your groceries in there. I think I like that. This one here is for the back of your seat. That's pretty neat. I don't think I ever seen that. That's new at this store. And then you have some air fresheners, some Armor All, and car wash and all kinds of stuff. Look at this hamper in the gray and the white. I don't see a price. I'm gonna say $5. Let's see. And then you have some Raid ant and roach. That might be a good price. I think it says $5.50. I'm not sure. So here is the multi-insect. And then here you have your cleaning supplies. It's a nice broom. I don't think I've ever seen this broom here. And this says $5. This is pretty nice. I don't think I've seen this before. So you put the fluid in there and squeeze it as you need it. Here's the duster. So these things, guys, are new to this Dollar Tree here. Okay, and then you have all of your cleaners. All right. Your laundry detergent, the Auto Band, guys, is great if you have pets. The scrub free for the bathroom, I gotta try that. I'm always using Comet. Then you have your toilet paper and paper towels, some paper plates. And I am vlogging, guys, so you're gonna hear people talking. So look at this, the 11-piece party serving kit. And then there you have your collapsible basket. And look at the size of this basket, guys. For whatever reason you use it, I think it's worth it because of the size of it. And then you have the little small totes with the covers. I love those. And some of your tumblers right here. So let's turn around. Okay, so these are also pretty big. These are stackable. Great organizers. There you have some trash cans in the beige and the black. And I absolutely love these. So look at this. This is $5 for the serving tray with the lid. It has compartments. And then the part with the sauce right here. And then the other one is here. I'm liking these, guys. So you can put in each compartment any snack to take with you. Here's some more of those cubes. Here's some more of those containers. I like these. Okay, so we have some alright, so we need some of the buffalo check. I think I'm just gonna grab the buffalo check on this side here. Alright, so here we have the containers and the cups are inside. I like these colors for the summer. And look at this. So here, look at that. We have a cutlery holder for $5. And look at this. Hold on one second. This is 10 wine glasses for $5. Wouldn't these be nice for parties? I am liking those. That's the first time I've seen those. And the first time, oh no, this is a 2-gallon beverage dispenser. And look at the size of these bowls. Oh my goodness. So this is huge. So this is $3. All right, so we have some potting soil there. Looks like it's $5 and some more pots. So look at these lanterns. Here's the beige one, the black one in the back. Okay, and this brown one. And then you have some florals for the fall. And these are really nice. This is LED tube pillar candle. I like that. Here is a tea tray for the fall. It has a leaf on top. I have this, so the wood one. I like the one I have because you can use it all year round. And I am liking this 15 bulb light set for $5. What are these? So this is gardening nail pads. Oh, that's pretty neat. I don't think I've seen those. I'm sorry, there's someone behind me. So here's a welcome sign. And look at this. This is really nice. $5. It's a tabletop decor in a pumpkin shape. I like that. You have the different metals. And I'm loving their candles, guys. Okay, so here's the box. These are all for outdoors. They're metal. Bobble turkey. So I do like this lantern here. Okay, and I have this little one right here, the big one I might get. And look at this one. So this one is pretty new. This is $3. I like that. These are some candle holders. Up here you have the gold lanterns. And here you have the glass box. This one broke, but this one hopefully is fine. Here's some candles. I'm telling you, the candles are so nice. So these are the lane signs. And that red stool, I think that was for $5. Okay, and here's some more. Let's see, so you have some more of the lanterns, the black and the gold. This is the bigger size, and that's the smaller size. This is nice. So this is a 425 piece jewelry craft kit for $5. This makes a nice gift. And I am liking how these stools are coming. You see this with the wood top? So this is the lighter, and this is the slightly darker. I like those. So it's a red dot on it, so I'm not sure if those are going to go up in price. All right, so we have some more lanterns here, the baskets. I have a feeling those wood grain stools are going to go up in price. Some more toys for outside. Now these chairs for outdoors that come inside the bag, those went up to $9. Here's some more toys. And the pool noodles here, these are $3 in the plus section because they are much wider and thicker. So these are great for projects, guys. Now, here's some more toys. And I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. All right.